My name is David Chifungo. I am the National Director for Veritas College Malawi. We work in rural areas, poor people, but they want to hear the word of God, and we spread the gospel through the training that we do in Malawi. We target untrained leaders, leaders that are always preaching, but they have not had the seminary training anywhere. So we feel we need to provide training for them. Our program is called Integrated Leadership Development. We focus on Bible interpretation, that is understanding the Bible, applying the Bible in our sphere of life, but also communicating the Bible through preaching, Bible studies, discipleship programs, and counseling sessions. So it's more of spiritual growth, mentorship, but also for preaching for those that are lay leaders in Malawi as well as in some over 10 countries in Southern Africa.